In the wake of Hurricane Helene, the city deployed members of the Public Services Department, the Jacksonville Fire and Emergency Services, and the Police Department to aid in the disaster relief efforts in western North Carolina. We had some very good folks that volunteered from here to go out there and assist with our recovery efforts, and I appreciate all these folks that volunteered and went out there, and would love to recognize them all at this time. Christopher Pedrick, Ryan Jones, Scott Tamburo, Don Merriman, James McDevitt, Ethan Bowden, Andrew Dorse, Daniel Hale, Mackenzie Ward, Sarah Butler, Justin Rankin, Elisa DeBonis. Jacksonville police officers were deployed to 2 teams. Team 1 consisted of 8 officers that were deployed to Asheville, North Carolina, and Team 2 consisted of 4 officers that were deployed to Hudson, North Carolina. Each team was deployed for a total of 7 days. In Asheville, the officers in Team 1 volunteered to work the night shift, roving patrols in severely affected areas, traffic control for closed roads, foot patrols downtown to deter criminal activity, and security at distribution centers and Red Cross centers. Officers from Team 2 provided security at a state-operated shelter for homeless or displaced citizens in Hudson, North Carolina. We are very grateful to all of you for your hard work and team effort. Thank you very much for representing us today.